happy, elated, ecstatic, sad, melancholic, despondent, angry, furious, indignant, excited, exhilarated, thrilled, bored, restless. Here are some examples. She was elated when she heard the good news. I imagine she felt ecstatic at winning the gold. Her music makes me melancholic, it's the piano. They felt despondent after losing the final. Her was furious at being accused of stealing. I was indignant at being ignored by the staff. The hustle and bustle of the city makes me feel exhilarated. My son is thrilled to be going to Disneyland. I am restless, let's do something. Can you remember the basic meaning? Let's see. Which words mean angry or very angry? The basic meaning for sad. Remember there are two words. Very good, melancholic and despondent. Very happy. Nice. Elated and ecstatic. Bored? That's right, if you are feeling restless, you feel bored. And last ones, which words mean excited? You got it, thrilled and exhilarated.